Oh, let me put
Bye,
this in here.
Bye, Grandma.
Well, honey, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go see if I can buy a bigger thing for Chance.
Okie dokie. I'm using a Galaxy shampoo that
Oh, there he is.
got,
Is that?
and some shaving cream, normal glue in the bowl, and regular borax water mixture.
He also tried to bark. Did Brooke tell you?
Yeah.
I'm
Well,
gonna
no,
start
but I
with
mean,
the
I have
shaving
heard her do
cream.
that. Well, I haven't done anything with it.
As usual, mix it like this.
Don't know what to do.
No one does.
I'll be back. Okay.
Bye, Grandma, for
I'll be
a
back in a
while.
few minutes.
I'll be back. Okay, so this is gonna be a Galaxy slime. I have Galaxy shampoo, so it won't fall apart all the different colors. It's already one color. And there's no glitter involved, just the shampoo to color it. If the shampoo coloring does work. Okay. I'm honestly nervous. Mom, could you get in on this real quick? Okay. Show an overview of this. That is really cool. Could you hold like the camera over this?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's good. I think they have the idea.
Wait, you can lift this up.
What you doing?
I don't know what to do with that dog.
Oh, baby boy. He's sick.
Yes. Sorry, Chance. Don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Okay, I think it's just turned like this kind, but it still is pretty good. I'm gonna start adding in the mixture. Only do a little bit. This is not gonna be sticky. Like it's already not sticky. It's already like slime. Guys, I didn't even do anything and it's already slime. That's pretty amazing. That's really cool. Yeah, okay. Okie-dokie. So it's coming back today, right?
No, tomorrow.
Oh.
Why?
Eh.
Give you time to clean all that up?
Well, Mom, you know I clean this up. You do. You just act like I don't. Wow, guys. Okay. So this is already... Stupid spoon. This is already kind of drying up. Which is literally one of the fastest slimes I think I'm ever going to make in my life. Unless I do the same recipe. Oh, wait. That blocks the whole camera. I don't even know what to do with this. It's so good. And such a good sound that I am dying.
What do you guys want for dinner tonight?
Chinese food.
Chinese food? Didn't I give you Chinese food last night?
So, Chinese food is life. Chinese food is world. Coffee is there, a little bit up. Okay, now here the problem starts. The
Did
shaving.
you have a snack?
I did, yes. Grandma made me ramen.
Oh, good.
She put it in a cup. Yeah. Interesting. Good thing you let me still make this stuff. You know I do make. You do know I clean it up, right? I do, Mom. I do. You know I do, Mom.
Don't eat that, that's dog food, okay?
Okay. I don't think I eat it, but. Do you have like a big container?
Oh, what?
Do you have like a bigger container? And I'd like it to be not a jar, but
Like plastic?
yeah.
I think so.
Because I don't like having glass in my bag. If I have it in my
that would be
bag.
silly.
Yeah. This one is really good. And it's also not dyed, so none of the blue comes off to you.
Do we just get shampoo on you?
What? Well, isn't that a good thing?
No, not
Dun dun. Yeah, I know. No, it doesn't, Mom. This was the fastest slime I've ever made. It stretches really good. Okay, bye guys. It was a good slime.